Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am working on my zone 1 cleaning, which includes the front of my house. I do a bit every day for the week, so zone 1 is 1 week, and usually takes me about anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes to do each day. So I start with the outside, but since it's winter, I started with the entryway. In the entryway, I clean all the windows, dust all the door frames, take away any seasonal stuff that needs to be put away. I dust the baseboards, I wash the wall, I take the curtain down, and I clean out the wash the curtain. So pretty much anything that you wouldn't do on regular weekly basis. I do wipe down my door window more often than not, but I don't go dusting the door frames or window frames or baseboards and on weekly basis. And then I also declutter my key holder and I take it to get washed because things get dumped in there that shouldn't be. I also dust all my dry plants and my milk crate. And I also clean out my Bombay chest, which holds all my mittens, hats, scarves, heating pads, heating little pocket thingies. So the front drawer has my husband and my stuff. The middle drawer has all of my kids' stuff, and then the bottom drawer has all the summer baseball caps, as well as any sports mittens, gloves, or things like that that need to be need a home. So and I take everything out, I dust the drawers, and then I put everything back, make sure that all the mittens are paired up. Then I move the Bombay chest, dust everywhere, clean the floor, wipe it down, and put it back. It's hard for me to get in there to clean underneath properly every week. I also wash my boot tray and that key holder because salt gets in the way. Then on Tuesday I move on to my closet. This is my main closet that we keep all our coats and shoes that we wear every day. I also keep my shopping bags, so I just kind of go through all the shopping bags, make sure that there's none broken, and I sort them out. I clean the floor, sweep it, wipe it down, go through the shoes, make sure that the right season's there. If not, take them, like at this time I was taking some shoes upstairs into our closet that were still fall shoes that weren't appropriate for winter. So this area gets quite dirty because it's used so much, so it's important for me to get to clean it well, at least once every few weeks. So then I put everything back together and I move on to the top shelf, and on top shelf you'll see I have several bins. I also keep my purse and my daycare diaper bag up top. So I have on top things like bin with slippers, bin with all our returnable milk bottles. I also have a bin that holds our first aid and our heating pads, and then I also have extra cleaning supplies that I buy in bulk up there, so that way they are in a bin itself. And then I just go around and I again wipe down doors, frames, baseboards, wall. I don't wash the floor because that's a weekly thing, as well as I don't vacuum the floor because it's a weekly thing. And then on Wednesday I move into the powder room. Now this room gets cleaned a lot, so oh yeah, and I also forgot to dust my flower arrangement on top of the Bombay chest the day before, so I do that as well. So yeah, so the bathroom gets cleaned very often because that's the one bathroom that the daycare uses. So I wash the walls and the baseboard around the toilet on regular basis. But on this day I just go under the sink where I keep extra soaps, some feminine products, and just a few cleaning products, so that way they're easily accessible. So I just wipe down the cabinet, the inside, and then give the baseboards a quick wipe as well. And then on Thursday I move into the mudroom. Now in this mudroom I also have my appliance closet, but that's on a separate cleaning day. That doesn't get cleaned on this day. So you'll see me here. I just wipe down all the walls, all the baseboards, the trim, sort out the jackets because there's always extra jackets that shouldn't be there. Sort out the kids stuff, make sure there's nothing here that needs to go home that the parents have forgotten to pick up or it's out of season. And then just like I said, go over everything, wipe down everything. And there's another boot tray here that gets washed, and that's about it for this room. And then on Fridays I go over and clean all the light fixtures, and I dust all the walls, the corners of the walls. Well, thanks for watching. If you want to see how I divide my house into 8 zones, check out my blog. I will leave a link below. And after I am done my 8 zones, I start over, but I give myself a week's break in between the 8 zones. Like I said, thank you for watching, and if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.